Good morning, guys. How are you? As you can see, I'm at a Subaru dealer, and this is another novel about a part of the novel about the cracking and melting dashboard on Outbacks and Legacies. Here's my car. Here you can see. Here's my car. You can see the condition of it. It's totally brand new. It's perfect. The only thing that it's bad, it's the dashboard. Another thing is that all the employees that works here, they agree that my problem is the same problem that they faced in the US, and they made a recall. The only people that don't agree about this are the managers and the directors of Caoa Brazil. And the other thing that makes me really sad is that Subaru Japan doesn't care about this. They just don't call the importer here and say, hey, change the dashboards. It's the same problem that they have in the US. So you can see my car here. You can see how is the condition of it. It's a car that I kind of collected. I don't use it every day. It's not my daily driver. And it's a perfect car. The only thing is the melting and cracking dashboards. So my advice to you guys is just don't buy Subarus anymore here, at least here in Brazil, because even Subaru Japan doesn't care about it. So this is really bad. This is really sad. All the guys that work here, they say, is the problem that we see since 2014, since 2013. All Subarus, Outbacks and Legacies has the same cracking, melting dashboard. And they really don't care about it. It's terrible. We made a lawsuit, and now we are just waiting for it. And I'm here to make a recall for the airbag, the second one. But the dashboard, they don't care, you know. It's kind of terrible. It's like amazing. It's like something. It's not licença segundo. As you can see inside here, it's the dashboard. You can see it's cracking, and so it's the same problem. And just for you to see, I'm here at Subaru at the dealer. So everybody agrees with me, but the manager and the directors don't. And the worst thing is that Subaru Japan doesn't care about it. So think twice when you're gonna buy a Subaru, because if this happens again with another part and everything, you will need to buy the part or something like this. You can trust the guys. Even Japan could call them here and say, change the dashboards. It's a defective problem. Then the guys here in Brazil, they say that it's a misuse, something that we apply. It's not only with me. Everybody has the same problem. So thank you again for watching another video. Take care. Bye-bye.